to you all, and I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and New Year, and you're all looking fit. I have just finished the 21-day Daniel's fast, and yeah, it was pretty good. I actually discovered that I actually like a lot of things, but anyway, let's not blubber on. But yeah, every now and again, if you feel like you're feeling a bit tired, you should try it. It's actually very good. Channel, if you're new here, welcome. It's nice having you here, and on this channel we just talk all things fashion, lifestyle, and how to actually just shop responsibly and just try to find sale items. I am really big on finding classics that I can wear all the time, but every now and again I will splurge, but I will splurge on things that are usually very expensive, but bigger brand names. I'll try to spend 200 to 250 for things that would normally be like 2000. So that's my goal. That's how I always shop. I'm always trying to find a good bargain. So if you're also into good bargains, well, stick around. We will go throughout this year looking nice, looking expensive, smelling fresh. And talking about smelling fresh, I have a new fragrance that I will just going to do a little unboxing. This what I got for Christmas. I haven't actually opened it yet because the beauty about it is actually came with like 2 travel size little 5 mils, so I can actually, I've been using that. That's why I haven't opened it. I was hoping to open it here with you guys. So that's the fragrance that I got. 75 mils. Polaya exclusive. Don't know if the camera's capturing that, but yeah. And in the box also came the travel size. So yeah, this was the little box that came with it, and that was really nice. And I don't know if you guys know that if you shop directly from the Valaya, from Delina, the website, you can get the sample size of these ones, and you get 6 in there for 40, well, for in Europe for 40 euros. So that's really good, because then you get to test what you want. And the 40 euros that you actually use, you get to actually save on the actual full bottle size that you got. So your 40 euros, you will get a discount code. And well, at least I did. I don't know how long it will last, but yeah, then you get the samples, and the 40 euros you can use when you purchase the full size. So that's my full size, and we're going to do an unboxing together. Woohoo! That was close. I didn't realize that was gonna happen, but yeah. It's her, and I already know what it smells like because I got in my 5 mils. I got this one. Oh yeah. So I actually chose the Delina La Rose. I think that's the name. And I actually love it. It's one of my favorites, so that's probably going to be my next bottle. But this one I think is an all year round fragrance that you can use. So it says the top notes are velvety almond, bergamot, and mandarin. And yes, you can really smell the almond and the bergamot. And for me, for fragrances, I really like almond. I love the almond smell, and I think with this one they just really got it. Sometimes when I'm going out at night, I like to mix it with the Tom Ford. It actually mixes very well. I will do like this combo, and the combo is like really special to me. So yeah, this is a combo to try. What I got, my challenge was really to actually get 6 pieces, 3 tops and 3 bottoms for less than 100, and I'm not so sure I did it, but yeah, well, we'll see. Anyway, how it went. And I'm sure you will love all the pieces that I got, but I have a motto: if I cannot style it 7 ways, and if I can't come up with 7 actual outfits, then I will not buy it. But if I can quickly, at the top of my head, come up with 7 outfits that I can style it, then obviously it's coming. So I'm just going to show you. I will try to post something here just to see how I've styled a few of the pieces as I go through. Let's get into the haul and see the pieces that I picked up. First of all, I picked up this little lace skirt that I have decided to wear it now over, and I think the grays go well together, and yeah, and I think for this one I paid 17 euros something, but yeah, it's really nice, and I think I love the style of what I've just done with it. And so I'll be styling it a few ways, and hopefully you guys like this one. And then the next piece is going to be this one, which I think is going to look really beautiful during the summer. That's another thing, even if it's winter sales, you always have to pick up even things that you're going to wear all year round. So for me, I kind of like this because I've already got a pair of pink tapered pants that I have that I will probably wear it with, or it's going to go with a long skirt, and I can see me ravishing in the summer. The next piece are these long Bermudas that I got, and they're pinstripe. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it can focus enough. And these were, oh, I think I paid, in the end, I paid 19 something for them. And I'm also going to style them a few ways. I will try and put here how I'm going to style them, and but I really think that they will go very well with a lot of jumpers. Even like if I just wore it like how I'm wearing it now, I think it should still look very good. It's actually a nice structure to it, and the pinstripe I think make it look even more elegant with a nice belt, so it will do the trick. The next piece is this shirt. It's a brown. Don't know if the brown is coming out okay on camera, but it's a nice brown that is more like a light brown, like a khaki. But yeah, and I think this piece really works with a whole lot of colors. I have styled it with the brown. I'll show it here, and I think I'm also going to try and style it with white and see how that goes. But I definitely know that blue is a good match for it. So yeah, this is piece number 3, and this one definitely 17.97 I paid. The next piece is going to be this waistcoat. So when I saw the lady actually hanging around me for a little bit, I actually knew that this was one to take home, because she was hoping that I would just put it down. But when I looked at it and I looked at the structure of it, I was like, definitely coming home. So yeah, I really love it. A vest, like a waistcoat, but at the same time like a top. But yeah, I think I can come up with at least 10 ways of actually styling this. So stay tuned, you will see a lot. Style is tapered in the waist, and it's got like an illusion of padded shoulders, and I like that. And I think this one is going to go very well with the Bermudas, but we will see how I will style it. I haven't thought about how I will style this, but I definitely know this is one to keep. The next piece I picked up is this lace dress. I know I was kind of like late for the lace, but I think that I was not late, I was just saving my coins. But now that I have it, I definitely know that I will be styling it. I really love it. It's similar to the grey one, but I think I will be able to style it a few ways as well. The grey one is actually just skirt, so this one is a dress. So yeah, I think you will agree with me that both of them have to stay. So yeah, I'm happy about that. and I can see me also wearing it. See, like that. Can you see the vision with the even a pop of color? So I would just wear it like that. Oh, that actually looks very nice. So now I think just a little bit left with my €100, but then I was just like, I saw this one too. I was like, oh, a red skirt. Who doesn't love a red skirt? I mean, this is it. There was only one left, and with only having one left, I was like, oh, it's an S. I don't think it's my size, but I said, oh well, I'll take it to the changing room and let's see. And I wore it, and I was like, yes, this is good. This has got to come home with me. So also we'll be styling it a lot. I'll even try to style it for Valentine's and see. But yes, a red color, and I love the vibrancy of the red. It's really beautiful, and the fabric is good. It's one of those fabrics that you know will last you a very long time. Originally it was, I think, some $69.99. I can't remember, but yeah, but I know that I got it for less than 30, so that's already a good bargain. Yeah. So I had really overspent. I was over 100, but I saw this burgundy coat. I was like, I gotta have it. So the burgundy coat came home with me. Isn't she lovely? It's a beauty. It's a wool blend, so I know that it will not have a lot of fraying going on, and I will not have a lot of lint balls. So I love the structure of the arms as well. I don't know if you can see that. And this color, this is what sold me on it. The structure of the arms. They have something else similar which is still in stock. I'll try to link it if you guys love this color, but I think this color will go with a lot of pieces, with a lot of grays, blues even, and I think I can even come up with a red outfit inside, and then I will wear the coat. That's it, guys. So thank you very much for spending a bit of time with me and just seeing what I got from my sales. I will still have one more week to go, so if I pick up a few more things in the last week of sales, I will try to do a part 2 of the Zara sales, and then I will just show it to you and style it a few ways. So this whole proves that you can actually look stylish, you can actually pick up a few things, you can actually add a few styles to your wardrobe, all for under 100 and still be stylish. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks a lot for just spending a little bit of your time. I know we are all busy, and hopefully to see you again next week. If you'd like to join the family to just see what else we do on this channel, it would be nice for you to subscribe and even save this video for when you need a bit more style inspiration. And yeah, you can even take screenshots. That would be really good, because I think even this look just screams expensive, but I really love grey. Actually, it's one of those colors that I actually didn't realize I actually like a lot. Thanks guys. Ciao ciao.